Hello students of Standard 10. How are you? Fine. Good. Welcome to DAV Moyle Public School, Sita Songi. This is your social science teacher, Nitin Pushpatode. Okay, let's begin an online session of social science. Children, are you ready? Okay, let's begin. In the previous online session, we have learned about the topic the rise of nationalism in Europe. In that online session, we have learned about new conservatism, provision in Treaty of Vienna, and features of conservative regime. So about that we have learned in that online session. Okay students, today we will start the subtopic the revolutionaries. Okay students, do you know about the revolutionaries? Who are they? What are their functions? Listen, it is very essential to know about them. Listen students, a revolutionary is a person who engages in political, social or the economical revolution. So they are called the revolutionaries. See students, one picture is given. Which message just depict from the given picture? Listen student, this picture just depict the message about the moment of a revolutionary and the revolutions. Okay students, in entire Europe many revolutionaries had participated in the process of making of nationalism in Europe. Student, during that means after the 1815 in entire Europe, such type of many revolutionaries had participated in the process of nationalism in entire Europe. They wanted students, they wanted individual freedom and equality before law. So that's why they participated in the process of nationalism. They wanted individual freedom and equality before law. Students, during the year of following 1850, that means after the provision of Treaty of Vienna, conservative government, student listen, conservative government was established among the European countries. Students, conservative type government means what? Just a autocratic type government, bossy type government, just a one type of monarchical government, just established in a entire Europe after the 1815. Okay students, so these conservatives never listening to people, they always repressed them. So due to the fear of conservatives, listen students, due to the fear of conservatives, many liberal revolutionary just underground during the 1815, so they frightened of conservatives type of government administration. They always repressed revolutionaries. So that's why many liberal revolutionary just underground during the 1815. Okay, then students, with the passage of time, secret societies, listen students, with the passage of time, secret societies were established to spread the ideas of nationalism and oppose conservatism in a entire Europe. Listen students, so one of them, that means one of the leader just, that's name was, his name was Mazzini, Joseph Mazzini. Okay students, so he was also trying to motivate these secret societies. Through these secret societies, revolutionary were trying to creation of nation state. Through these societies, revolutionary were trying to creation of nation state as a necessary part of this struggle for freedom. So that's why one of them, the Joseph Mazzini. Students, who was the Joseph Mazzini? He was an Italian revolutionary. He was an Italian leader of the revolution. He became a member of the secret society of the Carboni. That means Joseph Mazzini joined one such society of the Carbonari in a Italy. Okay students, in Italy and the other part of the Europe also. Okay students, so in such a way that Mazzini always was trying to motivate the people to participate in the process of nationalism in entire Europe. So that's why Mazzini founded the two more underground secret societies. Mazzini founded the two more underground secrets of societies. First, Young Italy in a Marseille, France, and another Young Europe in a Bern, Switzerland. So these two secret societies were founded by the Joseph Mazzini. One Young Italy and another Young Europe. Students, tell me who founded the Young Italy? The answer is what? Joseph Mazzini. Okay students, through these secret society he was trying, that means the Joseph Mazzini was trying and motivating the people to join the nationalism. Okay students, then in such a way that following his model, that means the moment of Joseph Mazzini was just become a one type of model in front of the other European countries. Okay students, so that's why the many secret societies were set up in Germany, France, Switzerland and Poland. Okay, students. So due to the Mazzini's vision, due to the Mazzini's moment, due to the Mazzini's vision of democratic republics, conservatives government just frightened in an entire Europe, and slowly their exploitation was stopped. Okay, so in such a that story, in such a that students, Joseph Mazzini was spreading the message in the entire Europe to join the nationalism and to about the idea of the nationalism. Finally, students, Metternich. Finally, last one, Metternich just mentioned about the some negative words about Mazzini's. Students, who was the Metternich? He was an Australian politician. He was Austrian diplomat. So he always favored the conservative type of government. So that's why he mentioned some negative words about the Metternich. And his words were what? The most dangerous enemy of our social order. So such word just wrote by the was written by the Metternich about the Mazzini's. Okay, students. So in such a way that today we will learn about the information of the moment of revolutionaries in the entire Europe. Okay, students. On the basis of today's content, one assignment question I am giving. And question is in front of you. You have to write the answer of this question in your copy. Okay, students. Remaining part of this lesson we will learn in the next online session. Thank you very much.